This is just a quick one to show you how to turn on AC recovery options in the BIOS on a Dell Optiplex, or it should work for other Dell computers as well. Today I am looking at this Optiplex 3060, and what we are going to do is get a keyboard ready, and I'm going to turn on the computer, and as soon as I turn it on, start pressing the F2 key repeatedly. Right, once you're at this screen, you can use the keyboard arrows to go down or across using down or right arrow. You can also use the mouse, but on here I'm just going to use the keyboard. So let's go down to power management and press the right arrow to expand that, and then onto AC recovery. And as we can see, it says this field specifies how the system will behave when the AC power is restored after an AC power loss. Sometimes you've got a machine that is in an awkward position that you can't get to it, and you want it to come back on after there's a power cut. So I'm going to press the tab button, which is above caps lock. That takes me over to that field where I can choose the option, and then I want that to go to last power state. So I'm going to press the space bar to select that. Then we can go to tab again. That will take me down to the buttons at the bottom, and I'll press the right hand button to go to apply. I'll press the enter key. I'm going to press the tab again to get to that field, and press space to select that. Tab again to get to OK, and press enter for OK, and then that should have saved it. At this point you can then go to the exit button, and now when there's a power cut, the machine should come back on when the power is restored. Hope this helps.